Hello everyone, this is Ashray. Today I'm going to present you my idea Breathe Invest, which is implemented under biotechnology and machine learning. Let us first have a look over the user context and pain. When coming to the user, it is one of my friend Nitin, who is a 21-year-old student who loves to play sports and loves hanging around. But unfortunately, he is suffering from a disease called as asthma since his childhood. So he has to follow many restrictions and he has to be very careful when he is doing all this. Nitin belongs from a middle class family, so unfortunately, he cannot afford the costly treatments. Nitin's mother, who is Mrs. Kamla, who is an entrepreneur and an excellent cook as well, she has to take special care of Nitin all the time. She has to restrict him, cook special meals for him, and travel with him all the time as she is scared to send him alone. Coming to the context, Nitin feels exhausted as he has to frequently visit the doctor uh, for the diagnosis. He complains that the diagnosis is sometimes very long and uneasy. Depending upon the his condition, the visits to the hospital might increase as well. And even after all this, he is not able to find a specialist which can give him the right advice. Coming to the pain of the user, Nitin feels agonized as he has to visit frequently the hospital, that is twice or thrice a month, or even he has to wait for the reports or the proper advice or the treatment. His mother feels stressed up traveling with him all the time and following that advised treatment, which has no proper results. Initially, I thought that the problem was with the treatment, but when I went through an interview with Nitin, I realized that uh, I realized his pain more in deep. He felt agonized when he has to frequently visit the hospital for the diagnosis, and sometimes the reports also take too long to generate, as well as the consultation with the doctor. The diagnosis procedure includes a pipe-like device which has to be inserted into the mouth, uh, which is uh, which is sometimes uneasy and takes too long. Even after all this, there is no improvement in his health, which is because of lack of proper advice or the procedure in the treatment. When I interviewed his mother, she has expressed her stress. Uh, she couldn't bear what Nitin is basically facing under the treatment. The most stressful part of her was to travel with Nitin to the hospital. Now, because of COVID-19, she has to be even more careful, and hence they had to reduce the necessary visits to the hospital. So, considering these insights, I finally realized that what is needed is not the treatment of the asthma, but instead the change or the ease in the procedure of the treatment. To overcome the above problems, my idea is to build a home self-diagnosis device that can be used for the diagnosis with an ease, and also the device should be able to suggest and guide the right precaution. I then finally came up with the idea Breathe Invest. Breathe Invest is a home respiratory diagnostic device which with a smart application which gives the right precaution and the advice for treatment. The patients can use this for the self-diagnosis with an ease, and which also gives a relief to the caretakers. As you can see, there are this is the design of the vest, and the application Breathe Invest can provide us true healthcare assistance just like a personal doctor. These can be used to diagnose ourselves on weekly basis and take necessary precautions suggested by the device. In this way, we can also self-care or aware ourselves in advance much before anything unexpected happens. The value gained through this idea is that we cannot completely rely upon the healthcare specialist. Instead, we ourselves are a doctor to our body. This is also to promote self-care is healthcare. Breathe Invest is a medical device which is implemented under biotechnology and machine learning. It includes a vest which further consists of a respiratory sound recording unit which consists of stethoscopes and a machine learning IoT based application. In this flow diagram, you can see how the components are connected with each other. The stethoscopes, which are mounted inside the vest, and a smart application is connected to the hardware codec. That is nothing but microphone in our case, which is further connected to a microcontroller. The external power supply can be given to the vest, and if the vest is not connected to any smartphone or a gadget, uh, then it will be having a separate power supply to it. Otherwise, generally it will consume the power from the gadget. Same way, the vest is not if the vest is not connected with the application, then the LED is the alternate to know the result. Stethoscopes are used in here for the transmission of sound from the chest piece via air-filled hollow tubes to the listener's ear, which is in our case a microphone. The microphone will convert the sound waves obtained through the chest piece into the electrical signals, which can then be amplified for the optimal listening. Breathing Vest Management System will analyze the respiratory sound recording, comparing with its database. After analyzation, the application will display the results within seconds. I have personally selected this problem to overcome because of my friends suffering with the similar situation. We play and hang out together, but because of his condition, he couldn't completely enjoy the moment. Instead, he used to be tensed. He takes generally 3 to 4 days off a month and sometimes even more. He manages to take all the medications and precautions, but hesitate to get diagnosed. He's basically fed up with the procedure of the treatment and want to get rid of it. He often is worried about his mother too for the stress she takes to treat him well. The experience what I had with him made me to step up, and I, as an engineer, believe that innovations can fight this problem. I then researched about the diagnostic techniques, studied various theses, and contacted few doctors to conquer about the diagnostic methods and the procedures. So after going through many such researches, I finally came up with the idea Breathe Invest. I find my passion in drones, rockets, and healthcare as I believe these are the future. I love innovating tech toys which can help for future human existence. I have been working on many projects since my schooling, which was well appreciated as well. Few of them are smoke detector drone, a reusable rocket model, and a COVID diagnostic machine. I find that lot many believe in new technology, but I believe more upon the idea rather than the technology. With a currently pursuing degree in computer science and engineering, I have a comprehensive understanding of full life cycle of a software development projects. The technical skills which I have implemented in most of my projects includes IoT, product design and development, Arduino, and research and development. The problem addressed here is suitable for the people who are suffering from the respiratory diseases such as asthma, COPD, pneumonia, etc. It can be useful in the pandemic as we can have our own personal device which could be easily used to diagnose ourselves at home, and that too at a cheaper price when compared to the hospital diagnosis. At most basic level, anticipated size of the market for the proposed solution is 5% users of the total population in Hyderabad. Finally, as home healthcare device solutions could help in self-diagnosis and contain outbreaks well in time, Breathe Invest could resolve the issue and can improve the ongoing diagnosing procedure with comfort. We can't just rely upon the manual doctor checkup. We need to make sure that the technology should be something that everyone can afford. Breathe Invest could help doctors screen patients remotely. This device would not only improve the procedures but also will save time and money, and also it will prevent to spread the infection. Thank you.